Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy Usdt on Metamask step by step. Open Metamask, ensure you are on the correct network, and fund your wallet with ETH or the network token to cover gas fees. Use the Swap tab or connect to a reputable DEX, set slippage tolerance carefully, review the quote, and confirm the transaction quickly once you are satisfied with price and fees. Start by backing up your seed phrase and confirming your wallet setup in a secure place. Next, check your balance and transfer enough ETH or native token to cover swap and gas costs. Then switch Metamask to the appropriate network that supports the Usdt variant you need. Finally, take a moment to confirm token contract addresses and review settings to avoid costly mistakes before initiating any swap. Choose Metamask Swap for convenience or connect to a trusted DEX for more control. Enter the amount of ETH or token to swap for Usdt and check the estimated receive amount. Adjust slippage tolerance to accommodate price movement, then review gas fees and the token contract address. Confirm the transaction when you feel comfortable, monitor the pending status, and wait for network confirmation before using or transferring your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.